If you're struggling with diabetes, high blood sugar, or you may be in the pre-diabetic states, this video can change your life. What if I told you there are natural compounds that can lower blood sugar levels in as little as 5 minutes, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect your nerves, heart, and even your brain? And the best part, it might be even more effective than metformin, the most commonly prescribed diabetes medication in the world. The compound I'm talking about today is called alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. Let's dive in and find out exactly how it works, what science says, and how you can start using it today. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about one of the best natural anti-diabetic or high blood sugar remedy in the world. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that your body actually makes in the small amounts. But you also get it from certain foods like broccoli, spinach, organ meats, and tomatoes. What makes ALA truly unique is this: it's both fat and water soluble, which means it can go anywhere in the body, into your cells, into your nerves, even across the blood-brain barrier. Its main job is fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and convert sugar into energy at the cellular levels. And this is one of my daily prescribed natural remedies for my patients who have diabetes and they want to know how in the safe and natural way can reduce the risk or even want to get better if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes state. Studies shown that alpha-lipoic acid improves insulin sensitivity, the key to lowering blood sugar naturally. It works by helping your cell better absorb glucose from the blood, which means lower blood sugar level fast. In fact, in 2030 clinical trial found that alpha-lipoic acid supplementation significantly reduced blood sugar and improved insulin function in people with diabetes type 2. And another analysis from 2012 conducted that alpha-lipoic acid is highly effective in treating diabetic neuropathy, those painful burning tingling sensation in your legs and your feet. And here's the kicker: in IV form, alpha-lipoic acid can lower sugar level in just a couple of minutes. But in most cases, you will use some kind of natural supplements in the tablets form, and you will take it each day, and it's going to be gradually through the day lowering your blood sugar. Now let's compare alpha-lipoic acid with metformin. Metformin is a pharmaceutical that lowers glucose production in the liver and improves insulin sensitivity, but it comes with the side effects like nausea, fatigue, even B12 deficiency. Alpha-lipoic acid, on the other hand, it's a natural compound that does something similar, but with added benefits. Protect your nerves and the blood vessels, support eye health, boost your master antioxidant, glutathione, helps with weight loss and energy. It does deplete your vitamin store or upset your gut. This is why many researchers are now calling alpha-lipoic acid the natural alternative to metformin, or at the very least powerful adjunct therapy. This is unbelievably important. But as I said it many times before, alpha-lipoic acid has many health benefits. One of the best is going to be protect your heart and the blood vessel, protect against diabetes. Also, alpha-lipoic acid protects your brain. Studies shown that alpha-lipoic acid can cross into brain and reduce memory loss, cognitive decline, and even slow Alzheimer's progression. Also preserve your vision. Alpha-lipoic acid helps reduce oxidative damage to the retina, which is especially important for diabetics prone to eye complication. Also support your weight loss. In the clinical studies, people taking alpha-lipoic acid lose more weight and reduce their waistlines significantly compared to placebo. Also protect your skin. When used topically, alpha-lipoic acid has shown to reduce fine lines and the sun damage, improving skin texture and elasticity. Let's not forget alpha-lipoic acid regenerate vitamin C and vitamin E, detoxify heavy metals like mercury and arsenic, and boost mitochondrial energy and the cellular levels. In the short, this is one of the best natural remedies that you can imagine. This is especially important for everyone who suffers from diabetes. Another perfect natural remedy. So how do you take alpha-lipoic acid? Food sources include broccoli, spinach, red meat, organ, beets, carrots, beets, and tomatoes. But food alone may not be enough. Most clinical studies use supplement doses between 300 and 600 milligrams per day, with some going up to 1,200 milligrams in severe cases. It's better to take it on the empty stomach, because food can interfere with absorption. Always consult your doctor, especially if you are on diabetic medication, because combining alpha-lipoic acid with insulin or metformin can cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, and this is what you need to avoid it at any cost. As I said it many times before, find someone who understands what is natural remedies, understand what are the chemical medication that you take each day, and make yourself perfect natural program for diabetic or diabetic mistakes. For everyone else who do not do this kind of procedure, consult medical professional. Alpha-lipoic acid you cannot buy it very easily in the food healthy store in the form that you desire. This is going to be especially in the capsules form, and you can help yourself in the safe and natural way. If you have any kind of information about diabetes and natural remedies, please below the video comment to my channel. If you didn't already, subscribe to my channel. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. My personal specialty is going to be natural remedies, nutrition, physical therapy, and rehabilitation. And if you want to get better, and if you want to cure your diseases, call MarioLab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on phone number +385 989179 and you have two options how I can help you. You can come to my office, you can arrange the meeting, that is going to be great. Also, if you cannot come to my office, that is totally fine. We, over the last 20 years, we do it phone consultations with the patients all around the world. You can call us, book the meeting in our office, or of course phone consultations, and everything is going to be perfect, and I will be making perfect special natural remedies program with best natural remedies just for you. I'm also author of 3 books about nutrition and natural remedies. My 3 books is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. This is first book, and second and third book is going to call Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1 and Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. All of these books are available to right now on my website MarioLab.hr. Everything is in the description below. We send all our books to all over the world, and I believe my books about nutrition and natural remedies can help you a lot. Thank you, my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.